Okay, 7 and 8 we're doing together. First one, I'm given a mass. Right, I'm given a mass up here. Right about there. Okay, I am given a height right there and there. All right. The first question is asking for my speed, my velocity. Now, doing my velocity first, I gotta find or understand the concept that the potential energy here is going to be equal to kinetic energy there. The best way to keep thinking about things to start with is say, all right, what's happening up here? What kind of energies do I have here? Here I have only potential because it's not moving. Down here, there's no height down here. It's 0 is my height, so I have only kinetic. So you need to understand when you start these energy problems, you're going to say, all right, well, at the top, what do I have? And then conservation of energy says that at the bottom, I should have the same amount of energy. Whether it's different or not, I have the same total of energy. So the top is equal to bottom. Okay? So I only have potential, so I have U is equal to K at the bottom. Or mgh is equal to 1/2 mv squared. Now, it gives you mass. We don't need it in this problem. I'll show you why. When I start solving for V, okay, it's asking for speed, so I start solving for V. I say, oh, let's divide mass on both sides. Well, what happens when I divide both sides by mass? They cancel out. So all I really have to work with is C times H is equal to 1/2 V squared. Okay, so I'm going to do a little math. Multiply both sides by 2. So I have 2gh is equal to V squared. And now I'm going to square root both sides to get V by itself. So V is equal to the square root of 2gh. Now listen, please understand this. I have students that often are just going to have this formula on their yellow sheet. That only works for this problem. If I had different types of energies going on, this would be wrong. And so I need you to understand that you need to start, if you want credit on test questions, you need to start here with listing what kind of energies you have. Then work your way down. All right, I'm going to clear this and then do number 8. Okay, number 8, now they just want to know the loss of energy between A and C. So there's a lot of information that you don't need now. Okay, it's not asking for speed. We do need mass, though, because we need to know how much energy is lost. It was only potential up here, and it loses energy, and there's only going to be potential down there. So we have the potential at top minus potential at the bottom will give you how much energy is lost. So we have mgh at the top minus mgh at the bottom. So for mine, it will be 0.8 times 9.8 times my h, which was 8.7, minus 0.8 times 9.8 times my height of 1.6. All right, multiply and then subtract, and you get your answer.